How to delete Facebook watch history permanently. Hi everyone, I am Eva. I'm here to guide you every step of the way. So, are you ready to dive in? Then let's get started. So, first of all, open the Facebook app and go to your profile by clicking on the three horizontal bars on the top right corner of your screen and click on settings and privacy and click on settings. Scroll down and click on activity log, and here this blue icons, so just scroll it and click on videos watched. So just click on that. So I have not watched any videos, but if you have watched videos, then clear video watch histories option will be there on the top. So just click on clear video watch history and the history will be deleted. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you liked this video, then please hit that like button and subscribe for more.